If you ever wanted to set goals for yourself, especially within an online business, whether you're a digital marketer or an affiliate marketer, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you a step-by-step course. In actual fact, it's free. It's absolutely free. You have to pay $0. We used to sell this course for thousands of dollars. In actual fact, I'm going to give it to you for free. So pay very close attention within this video. Listen carefully because I'm about to blow your mind. Hi there, my friend, Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, like I said, I'm going to share with you how you can start achieving your goals with affiliate marketing. Now, this course that I'm about to give you is absolutely mind-blowing. I went through this course. I set myself numerous goals, and in actual fact, I've achieved most of them so far. I'm still working towards much bigger goals. I've wanted to always succeed with affiliate marketing, make thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. At the same time, I wanted to build a large community, a following, not just on social media, but within my own community, my own hub, and I managed to achieve all of those. But besides that, I also wanted to, like I said, make thousands of dollars online and live a laptop lifestyle. In this case, in the past 2 years, I've made thousands of dollars online. And if you don't believe me, in the description below this video, you will see that I share my shorts like TikTok shorts, YouTube shorts, Facebook reels, etc. My social media platforms for you to follow me. Should you want to, you're more than welcome to. And from time to time, I do share my income there as well, so that I can prove to you that I'm actually doing it legitimately. I'm making money with affiliate marketing, which was one of my goals. So the main purpose of this video is to share a course with you that you can get for absolutely free. And I want you to go through that course. Now, before we continue, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please take some time, read that disclaimer, pause this video, read it, and let's continue along. Now, who am I? My name is Muller. I'm the owner and founder of EmpireDigest.com. In actual fact, it is this page that you're on right now. It will be the first link in the description below this video. It will bring you over to this page. Now, if you really want to succeed with affiliate marketing and take your life and your finances to the next level, I mean legitimately build a legacy, an online business that leaves a legacy, not just a quick fly-by-night affiliate marketing product that you're just promoting. This is something you can literally believe in, you can build, and it really does change people's lives. I've been in this game since the year 2015, and I've never came across anything this powerful. What I'm applying right now, I learned all within this course. So I want you to click that yes, I want in button, enter your email address on the next page, watch that masterclass training video. My friend, if you've ever wanted to succeed with affiliate marketing, you are tired of struggling, you are tired of buying course after course, jumping from program to program, and you have literally so far made $0 online, then this is definitely something you want to check out. Now, let's jump right into the course that I'm talking about. So the second link in the description below this video, I want you to go to that link. It is this link right here, community.EmpireDigest.com. Okay, what you're going to do then is I'm quickly going to log out. Let me just log out of my profile, and this is what as soon as you click that link, it will bring you over to a page that looks like this. In order to join our VIP entrepreneurial community of highly successful entrepreneurs, whether you're brand new or you a successful master affiliate marketer, that is what you will find within this group. People that are starting brand new, they don't know where to start, they don't know how to succeed, they don't know how to set themselves affiliate marketing goals, and that is the purpose of this community, is to actually achieve those goals, to set those goals, work a plan, go through it, and actually achieve those goals. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on the join group button. It costs you $0. You can create yourself an account for free. I'm not going to charge you anything. At the time of me shooting this video, it's still free. So when you can jump on it right now, so that you can actually create your free account. Now, create your account. I'm quickly going to log in. So for now, I'm just going to blur this section for a little while. And then after you've logged in, let's quickly log in. This is what the community will look like after you've logged in. I think in actual fact, I'm not sure if you're going to land directly on the courses, but it doesn't matter whether you land on the discussions page, the events page, the courses page. My friend, you will get access to not just one course. In actual fact, the course that I want to talk about today is this course right here, the 7 Steps to Freedom course. It is mind-blowing, and I'm going to delve into the details of it right now, because that is what you want to use in order to achieve your affiliate marketing goals that you set for yourself. In actual fact, not just affiliate marketing goals, but almost any goal in life that you set for yourself. Okay. Now, in actual fact, once you've created yourself this account, you get all of these courses for absolutely free. My friend, we used to sell these courses individually for thousands of dollars. In actual fact, this course right here at the bottom, the Ecom Entrepreneur, we used to sell this course for $2,000. And you can get this course right now for free as well. Literally just create yourself an account and you've got access to that course. Second link in the description below this video. Click that link, create your course. Now, let's delve into this course. It's called the 7 Steps to Freedom. I want you to click the open. So you're going to go to the courses tab, click on the 7 Steps to Freedom, my friend, and then you've got a course here that literally, once you click on the start here, it says watch first, rate, review. Then you set yourself a clear target. So what do you really want in life? That is very important. I just want to click on that for a little second. And I don't want to physically play the video and go into it, but I've completed this entire course. And this thing helped me, like I said, to achieve the majority of my goals, especially within affiliate marketing, within my online business. I cannot express how powerful this thing is when you do it step by step and you really follow and you do what you need to do. My friend, this will change your life. It all starts with, what do you really want in life? And I'm not talking about money. You might think that you want money. And in actual fact, when I started doing this course, and it took me some time, I didn't immediately knew what I wanted. But over time, I realized that the biggest thing for me at this point in time is that I want to be in control. I want to be in control of my life. I want to be in control of my finances. I just want to be in control. I want to control where I'm going, what I'm doing, what I'm achieving, what I'm purchasing. That's me. I don't want somebody else to control my life. So that was my biggest why, and that why still drives me. I want to be in control, in complete control of my own life. Okay, so that is, what do you really want? The Stranger's Secret. That is by Earl Nightingale. And I highly suggest, in actual fact, in the video, Vic will tell you, my mentor will tell you that listen to that audio every single day, at least once or twice a day, for as long as you possibly can. Because it's all, success is only about 10 to 20%, 80%. Let's call it 80%. Success is 20%, technical stuff. 80% is mindset. Not your brain, mindset. You've got your conscious mind, you've got your subconscious mind. In actual fact, I will share something with you in a later video, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, to this YouTube channel, subscribe to this video give this video a like, and do share this video. Share this video with friends and family, because this can only benefit them, my friend. This can change their life. I want to help change as many people's lives as possible. Literally, whether you want to succeed at affiliate marketing or you just want to set goals for yourself and literally achieve them, this is what you want to pay attention to. So if you deep in your heart, you feel that this is something that can contribute to somebody else's life, and that is what I feel right now. I feel that this course can only benefit you and it can change your life. If you've got possession of a power that can change somebody else's life, wouldn't you want to share it? In actual fact, it is our duty to share it. That is why I'm sharing it with you right now. It's my duty to share it with you. So take this video, share it with friends and family, and give it a like. Okay, and if you appreciate this content, subscribe and leave me a comment. Now, next, that is the Stranger's Secret, because we want to change your subconscious mind so that you automatically start reaching your goals and achieving financial success, depending on what it is that you want. Okay, because you have to change your subconscious mind. Is a multitude of habits. It's called the paradigm. I'm not going to delve into too much, but listen to that. And then somebody else who you want to follow and you want to listen to is a guy called Bob Proctor. Unfortunately, he passed away not so long ago. He used to be my first, call it, mentor. And besides my father, my creator, Yahweh Yeshua, he's my ultimate mentor. But besides that, if I look at people around me, my mentor would have been then Bob Proctor, or was Bob Proctor. Okay, next, you've got a money plan. Now, this is actually where you will learn something called the RTWCGO. So it stands for revenue, taxes, wealth, charity, general operations. Okay, it's 6 accounts that he's talking about. Revenue, RTW, so revenue, taxes, wealth, charity, general operations. Okay, and I don't want to talk too much about that. I want you to physically go through this course. That will be mind blowing. You will never ever look at managing your finances another way. Okay, then you've got the game plan. What is the game plan? What do you want to achieve? Where do you want to go? And how do you actually reach that goal? Now, next, the goal card. So the goal card, in actual fact, with this right here, this is step 1, the strangest secret and the goal card. This all goes hand in hand. Why? Like I said at the beginning, mindset 80%, physical technical stuff of success is only 20%, but mindset is about 80% of your success. Some people say it's actually 95% is mindset and the other 5 is technical things, physically doing it, the physical aspect of it. Doesn't matter. The goal card is part of it. You want to create yourself a goal card. Go through that step. You want to create yourself a goal card. You read that goal card as often as you possibly can. My friend, it all helps to change your subconscious mind, okay, in order to help you achieve your goals as quickly as possible, like this, okay. Next, the hub, the purpose of the hub, this is more related towards affiliate marketing. You don't just want to be the next guy out there. You don't just want to be the next affiliate marketer. You physically want a home on the internet, a hub. This right here, let me show you quickly. This right here, this page, EmpireDigest.com. This is my hub. I'm the owner and founder of this hub. Let me scroll down. Go watch that video. Who is Errol Mueller? What is our community about? Scroll down. The secret affiliate model. Webinars, courses, join our VIP community, the one that I just shared with you. At the bottom here, you'll have different pages that you can check out. Our reviews, in actual fact, we are currently just over 26,000 reviews right there. 26,000 reviews right there. Over 26,000 reviews. Real life, legitimate Trustpilot reviews. These are real people actually reviewing. Okay, now, next, we've got the Forex tab, because I've got another YouTube channel related to Forex trading for people who like trading with Forex robots. We've got a crypto page, contact page, community, etc. My friend, this is what you call a hub. It's not a website necessarily. It's more a hub. And you will understand why, because the hub goes together with the community. This page that you're on right now. Okay, the second link in the description below this video is this community. Okay, you want to build a hub, a home on the internet. It will, my friend, you will never ever see affiliate marketing the same way after you've gone. Firstly, you went to the first link, you decided to watch the training and actually take massive action. You decide to get that course and follow along within that course. Then you go, you create yourself your community, you join our community, then you create yourself your own community. That is, my friend, that is what the hub is all about. I don't want to go into too much detail about that. If you want to know more, please leave me a comment, and then I'll go into more detail and in-depth review of what I'm talking about regarding the hub and the community and all of that, the bigger picture. But for now, just leave me a comment if you've got any questions. Next, you want to build that community of yours, this community. You want to build it to 1,000 members. So our mentor, Vic, has done a complete study about this, and this is what it's all evolved around. Is he had an idea and he started doing it, and in actual fact, he's proved that 1,000 members community on average can give you about $600,000 per year revenue income. $600,000 per year income. Now, there's no guarantee. Opportunities and possibilities are endless. There's no guarantee. I cannot guarantee your success. I cannot guarantee your financial success. Reason being, I'm not sure how hard you're willing to work and if you're legitimately willing to do what is required of you in order to do what you need to do to become successful and financially successful and succeed with affiliate marketing and achieve your affiliate marketing goals. Okay. Now, imagine what would $600,000 a year do for you within 1 year? How much do you think a doctor earns? Just think about that. Go Google it quickly. How much do you think an engineer earns, an IT sales representative, or an IT specialist? In actual fact, IT is also one of the salespeople. IT sales representatives are some of the highest paid individuals, financial planners. But go see what they earn, okay? After how many years worth of studying? Doctors, 7 to 9 years on average worth of studying. And how much do they earn per year? Go Google it. You'll be shocked, my friend. Next, become the best. Become the best. Become the best within your industry. Become the best version of yourself. Just become the best of the best. And this system right here, EmpireDigest.com. When you click this yes, I want in, at the time of me shooting this video, this is what your page will look like. It will take you over to the secret affiliate model. It's called the affiliate business system. In actual fact, on the top right hand side right now, on one of my other profiles, I've shared a video related to the affiliate business system and exactly what it's all about. Apologies, I just had to pause there for a moment. Now, on this page, you're actually more than welcome to watch this video. Click the yes, save my free spot, watch the training into your name, into your email address. My friend, watch that masterclass training. It will change your life forever. You will receive emails from me as well, where I share numerous other things with you, things that will only benefit your life. In actual fact, not things you have to purchase. Listen to me carefully. Not things you have to purchase. Yes, you will get the affiliate business system emails from me again, but as the emails progress, I'll share a free newsletter with you that you can join, which is for it was created by highly successful online entrepreneurs, and you can get access to those email newsletters for free. Tips, tricks, strategies in order to actually take your affiliate marketing business, your goals, everything to the next level. Okay, so you will receive emails from me, so make sure you check your email inbox as well as your spam folder, and I just share things with you that can change your life forever. Okay, now back to the course. Then finally, the bonus step, your next step. Now, this I'm not going to go into detail about. I want you to go through your entire course, watch your course. Second link in the description of this video. Create yourself an account with community.EmpireDigest.com, and then once you get to the bonus step, you will see exactly what that is. My friend, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Once again, share this with friends and family. Give this video a like. If you want to leave me a comment, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, financially successful life, a loving and a healthy life going forward. Stay tuned because I will shoot more videos for you, videos related to things that can and will change your life.